Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn or talk about Excel concat string. Okay, you can use concat function to combine two cell, or you can join two different cell tags or numbers in one cell. So how you can combine or merge two cell in one in Excel. I hope you like. I will show in this my Excel sheet. Here you can see I already combined first name and last name in Excel. There is a two-way I will show you. So I just delete to show you again. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So in order to concat or merge the two cells or two text name or number, there is a function you have to use. It's called concat. So just sign. We need to use formula. Okay, just equals. Hit the like button. So hit this equal sign. Then enter the concatenate. Oh, sometime if you have updated Excel, that it will be show only concat. So in my just is show concatenate, just hit the tab button, it will become up and the bracket will be open. Now you have to select first name, now give the comma and hit the last name. And if you have many cells, if you have used data, you can just select by comma, just give the comma and select another data. Okay, after that just close the bracket. You can see the two name has been merged, but there is a one problem, which is there is a no space. So how you can concat with the space? So just hit the F2, then formula will be visible. Now you have to give space by giving double comma and just separate by comma. So this is a sign for Excel that we are going to use space. Okay, you just hit. So now there is a name is now uh, appear is proper way. So if you want to just copy to whole data, just select and just hit the control D, it will be copied to whole data. Or maybe, or there is another way, just hold this corner and just scroll down, it will be copied to all cell. Okay, so another way I will show you is hit the like equal sign, then select first name, then enter the and sign and just select the last name and just hit the enter. The combine has been done, but there is a no space again. Just go and give the space sign and separate by and just click. You can see the space has been done. So that is how you can use concat string in Excel. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.